Hi everybody, it's Kristen at Mercer Mommy, and we are here to do our Monday video. On Mondays, we save with monsters. So we are going to get that out and take care of that. Oh, I need to look at my cheat sheet on how much I'm saving. I forget. I literally looked at it right before I started, but it popped out of my brain. Okay. So we are going to save $20 in monsters, but we have a little bit extra. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And we need 10, 11, 12, 13. This is going to go to our sticker challenge in the back. And then we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20 for Savings Brook. And we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 for Rainy Day Savings. So that leaves us with, oh, that's not right. There's no way. Maybe there is a way. What did I say back here? Oh, no, there is no way. 10 of this is for the bonus video that I will film after this video. So we have $16 for monsters. Perfectly fine with that. Let's start here and go to our sticker challenge. We only have 2 13s left, so let's go ahead and do this one. And then we will stick that $13 in the back. So we said we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. But I'm going to take so that we can play. All right. So that means we only have 1 sticker left. That means next Monday, which is the last Monday in April, we should finish this challenge. Let's see what we have. We have, I've already pulled from this once, if you'll remember. I don't think I even marked it, but I had to pull all my cash. So 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 35, 40. So we have $40 in there currently, and we'll be adding 13 more, which means 53. So I'll have to do the math to see how much it totally would have saved me and see how much I pulled, but that's where we're at for now. And then we have this amount to go. All right. How do we want to do it today? I don't think anything's near finishing, so I don't feel the need to like cheat. Maybe we'll just roll an 8-sided dice and go to what it says. Let's do that. All right, number 5. All right, number 5. You are this one. And then we can do a 3-sided dice on how many we're putting in. And we're going to put in 2. 1, 2. Okay, this is from Allie Bear Budgets. It matches her contributions to the Monster Box Challenge, which is when we finish these sections, we put that money into the Monster Box Challenge. And so I have a bunch of Allie Bear Budgets and April's Fresh Start. Oh, 5 again. 3 this time. 1, 2, 3. I probably should pull that 5, actually. Let's put that 2. We'll put these 5s back. All right, so let's put 3 in. 1, 2, 3. 1. 1 is this one. 2. Okay. Oh, 5 again. Maybe they want us to finish one today. I don't know who they are, but 3. Oh, man. Oh, wait, no. Okay. Oh, look, I didn't even roll again. Like, that just tells me that we need to finish this one. All right, so we did finish this one from Allie Bear Budgets. It should be 3, 6, 9, 12. Let's count because I didn't even add the money when I was supposed to. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And that money will get to go into our Monster Box Challenge. Let's find another challenge in the back. Oh, that's the wrong thing. We're going to put another one of these in here.
My glove.
Okay, I hear you, buddy, but I'm doing a video. Can you wait for a second? Go ahead. Go play. All right, number 3. That is this one. It comes from the same set that we just did. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's just go ahead and put all 5 in because otherwise I don't know when I'm going to bring that much money. Okay. So this one still has $11 to finish it.
Leo.
And that is that for the Monster Minis today. And then we need to pull out our Monster Box Challenge, which I changed the binder of if you're an eagle eye person and see that. So this is 12 that we're going to be putting in here. This is the box challenge by Monster Town Box Challenge by Allie Bear Budgets and April's Fresh Start. And we've been playing slowly but surely. Leo, quiet. Not that you can have right now, buddy. I'm sorry. I probably passed it because I do not see it. Alright, so it looks like he's in like a manhole or like sneaking out of something. Leo, back up. Oh, right there, swimming. $5. 1, 2. No, we have a 5, so that's what we'll do. All right, that one's done. Let's pull the next card.
Can I try to spot it now?
Yes. I'm actually going to go ahead and... oh, I need to color it, so I am going to stick it in instead of leaving it out. And we'll color it off. Okay. Okay, this is what we're trying to... this is one we're trying to spot.
Okay, can I send your that?
Yep. He's wearing a scarf, okay? So you gotta look for the scarf wearing ones. And if they're colored in, it's already been done. Back your head up, buddy.
I don't see him.
I see him.
He's right here.
That's right, good job.
Can I help you spot them?
Well, I don't know if we're gonna get, we'll do one more, but I don't know if we're gonna get to do it because I don't have enough dollars. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I only have $2 left.
Okay.
All right, what does that one look like?
This.
I think it's gonna be on the same page, don't you? Because it's still Christmas. All right, so that one's $4. We are gonna color it off, and then I'll make ourselves a monster. No, nope, that's all we can do because we ran out of dollars. But next time I have to do this, we can call you over, okay?
Oh, look right there.
Those are different dollars. I know it's confusing, but we owe this $2. All right.
Those two monsters.
Those 2 monsters. We owe them $2. Uh-oh. All right, bud. Excuse me. All right, going.
But I don't have 2 gloves. I only have 1.
Where'd you get that glove?
And I have gone.
Okay, well, I don't know how to help you right now.
I don't know.
You can wait till I'm done and I'll help you, or
Can
you...
give me one of those blue gloves?
Blue gloves? I don't see blue gloves.
You had blue gloves.
I used to a long time ago. I don't right now. All right, now we need to move on to our savings, Brook. that is our collab with Maddie over at Floating Funds. Let me get to it. Excuse you, Leo. You're a big boy now? Okay. We've placed quite a few friends, but we are not done yet. So let's get out our 6-sided die and get to rolling. We started right here. Let me get my little glass slipper. That is how we travel around this board. We were at LJ's house, just chilling. We got 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, we got a 5 next to home office. So who wants to spend $5? Wants a corner lot. T, did I already put you somewhere? No, so T is going there. I'm writing this upside down. I hope I can do it well. Okay, T. We got you placed. We're going to pay $5 to place T. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, now we need to roll again. 1, MK, let's go to your page because we're going to be buying you something. Uh-oh, still needs $2 for this one, so let's go ahead and take care of that. LJ, we didn't have enough to pay you apparently. I think it was for that plush sweater that you wanted. All right, where's Miss MK? MK, woof, let's get you some chickens. Chickens for MK. Let's do the light blue. One and 2. This will get a lot slower whenever we start buying everybody their stuff because I'm not gonna be able to afford. Some days I only bring up Julie. I guess we're just visiting all of our friends, making sure that they're happy and have what they need. Where are you, Miss Julie? Julie. What about some travel for Miss Julie here? $3. 1, 2, and 3. That's just like me, Julie. I would buy a new house and then be like, where can we travel to? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, we have a corner lot next to Etsy, but we can only spend, we're spending $3. Maddie has been placed. Wants a corner lot. T has been placed. A northern house. Not happened yet, but we have some room. Camilla wants, so Camilla's been placed. Erica, middle of the road. Vicky wants a pink house. That house has pink, and it's $3. It's not fully pink. How, Vicky? I think I was saving that for you. So we'll keep looking. Shelly's been placed. Miranda wants to live by Chris. Where does Chris live? Chris hasn't been placed yet, so Chris could go there, but I don't know what Chris needs. Wants close to the dice. Nope, that's not going to work for Chris. Stephanie wants away from Etsy. That's Haley, but Haley's already been placed. Good. Christelle wants a beside a blue house. Christelle needs, oh, that's good for Christelle. We're going to put Christelle there because she can spend up to $4, which is 3. That's a blue house. Christelle. Okay. Perfect. Need to give Christelle $3 now. Let's keep going. 3, 1, 2, 3. So we are on the calendar. What does the calendar mean? Home office is over here. Etsy. What does the calendar mean? I'm gonna count it as nothing until I learn differently. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dice, same thing. Dice must be nothing. 3, 1, 2, 3. All right, we have a corner house that's blue, is only worth $1. So let's go for our low budget girlies. That's not pink, Vicky. I think this might, well, that's a 4. Wants away from Etsy, so that might be good for this one. Let's put Haley there. $3 for Miss Haley. Oh, but I'm not, how do I spell Haley? I'll write her name sideways. It's only a $1 house, so even though Haley has a budget of, oh, Haley's already been placed. What am I doing, girl? Where's Haley? Haley, I was trying to give you a new second house. Bummer. All right, now who's not been placed? This is where Maddie marking the ones makes a lot of sense. So I might put Chris here, and then that would be where, this could be where Miranda is because she wants to live by Chris. But Miranda can actually afford $4. Oh, I don't have any big ones left, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put Miranda here. Miranda. I just wrote it sideways because no point in messing it around. Okay. All right, let's go one more time. 3. 1, 2, 3. MK. Girl, I have given you a lot already. Yep, so we have to give you the oversized sweater, which is $4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I need to count because I have my daily savings money right here too, and I don't want to get too far into it. But I can't play today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, look at that. Perfect timing. All right, MK, we're going to end on you today. We've gotten you 3 of your necessities to survive. Now we only have your jeans and your doggy. All right. She's getting chunky, and I'm having a lot of fun, so I hope you are too. Thank you, Maddie, for creating this and allowing me to play. I've had a blast so far, so we will come back to this next Monday when we are ready to play again. Where are my, there they are. All right. Now we are going to play our rainy day savings. We bring $7 each week and change it in for prop money. I hear somebody coming, so prepare for another interruption. All right, what number are we on? Number 5. 2. I think there's a possibility of finishing some today, but it wouldn't surprise me if we had a few days where we didn't, because I know our bank is very slim. It's Monday. My husband went out of town for work yesterday, so I'm battling this by myself for a while. All right, number 4 wanted 3. It only got 2, so we're gonna move our start to number 4 for tomorrow. All right, back to the front. Sorry if you can hear the dog barking. Somebody must be at least pretending to come to the door. $1.50 for number 1. This is our new challenge from the Enchanted Owl's Nest. I'm gonna mark off this $1, 25, and 50. $0.75 for number 2. And that means we can mark off a number 3. I gotta be the breaker of the popsicles. All right. That is also by the Enchanted Owl's Nest. We got $1 for number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Superior Budgets. We're working through all of her very cute animal challenges. $1 for number 4. 25, 50, 75, $1. Ooh, Angela Marie 888 only needs $1.25 to finish. $5 got 50 cents. It's this very cute one from Overthinking and Budgeting, and each one of these is 50 cents, so perfect. Number 6 got $1.25. 75 cents needed to finish this North Country Cash Queen Wuthering Heights. So that's what we paid. We have 50 cents left over. We did finish one. Let's go back here and see what we got to fill its little spot. Let's use one of these. I know this is the Enchanted Owl's Nest and we have a few of hers already, but I have so many. 50 cents for that one. 25, 50, 75, $1 for number 7. All right. 1, 2, 3, and 4. $0.25 for number 8. And that is one from Maddie over at Floating Funds. Very pretty. This one was from Overthinking and Budgeting. I didn't tell you. It's from the 12 Months of Savings collab with Norella's Budgets. She did March, and I moved it over here when I couldn't get it to it in March time. So, all right, that's all of those. Let's go to the back, though, and we're going to first put our money away. So this was a $2 saver, so there's our $2. The rest is going to go into our bank. Kind of beef that up a little bit. Then we need to roll our 8-sided dice and see where the... Where did I put my 8-sided dice? There it is, right in the middle. 8. This is the Disney 100. So that was our Wednesday video, and I bring $20 to it, but every time I roll an 8 in my tiny savings, it gets a little bit of extra cash. So, hey, thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope you had fun. I had fun. I'm about to turn this off and then immediately film my Pen Pal collab with Amy by Nature, and I'll see you then. Bye.